Hello viewers, my name is Dr. Deepa Shree. I'm an interventional radiologist working at Dr. Rela Institute and Medical Center. Today I'm going to discuss about one of the most important topics, which is vitamins and minerals. Should you be taking them and how important is that for normal functioning of our bodies? Now, if you see the macronutrients and micronutrients, macronutrients are nothing but the carbohydrates, proteins and fat that we normally consume on a day-to-day basis. Now, what are these micronutrients? Micronutrients are nothing but the different vitamins that we consume and also some of the minerals that we consume. Now, when I say about vitamins, we have water-soluble vitamins and fat-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins are nothing but vitamins B and C. Now, this vitamin B and C is available in the food that we normally consume, and these are vitamins which are normally excreted by us. They are not stored in the body, so they are not harmful to us. No matter how much you take, it gets excreted. So vitamins B and C are available in different varieties of food, and vitamin C is very, very important, which is there in fruits like lemon or amla, the gooseberries that you get, all these have vitamin C. And when you consume that, it is important for wound healing. So it is important that these vitamins are incorporated in the system, and hence one needs to take those vitamins via food. Now, what are the other micronutrients? The other micronutrients are nothing but the minerals, which are macro minerals and trace minerals. Now, the macro minerals, it can be very confusing when I talk about each and everything, but all that you need to know is that there are different macro minerals available, which are nothing but the sodium, potassium, magnesium. These are all the macro minerals which are there in variety of food like green leafy vegetables, the beans, the white beans that you take. For example, sulfur is seen in garlic, in onions, and even mineral water contains a lot of sulfur in it. So when we consume that adequately in our diet, we are not deficient in these vitamins. But unfortunately, when people go on a diet, one becomes deficient in these micronutrients and macronutrients as well. Hence, diet is probably not recommended for everybody because we lose out on these essential microminerals and macrominerals. Now, if somebody is on a diet, they need to have a balanced diet. They need to have healthy food so that all these micro and macro minerals are incorporated as part of the diet. One important thing that I want to say is about vitamin D. Now, vitamin D is very, very important for our body, especially for bone health. But unfortunately, especially in an Indian setting, nobody wants to get exposed to sun. Despite a lot of sun, everybody is not interested in getting exposed to sun. And one needs to get exposed to sun between 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Now, that is the time when we absorb the vitamin D via our skin. Now, because we are not exposed to vitamin D, one can become deficient in vitamin D. Now, if you are deficient in vitamin D, you can have very weak bones and you also feel tired with less energy. So please make sure that you get exposed, and if you're not exposed to sunlight, one has to supplement their diet with vitamin D. Our diet doesn't have a lot of vitamin D in it, hence people consume supplements as vitamin D. Another important micronutrient which is very important for our body is calcium, especially for women. Most women after 50, when you attain menopause, our body lacks estrogen. Now, estrogen is a hormone which is very important for calcium to enter the bones. Without estrogen, our bones become weaker because there is no calcium entering the bones. So in such women, sometimes one needs to go on the hormone replacement therapy, and we need to incorporate calcium in our day-to-day food. The calcium products are basically any milk products can have a lot of calcium in it. Paneer, which we commonly eat, that also has got a lot of calcium in it. So please make sure that you incorporate these micronutrients into your diet. Please do not go on your diet wherein you skip some of the essential macronutrients and micronutrients. If you are on a diet, make sure that you take some supplements, otherwise it is not necessary. I hope this information is of some use to you all. If you have any doubts, you can ask us in the comments box or you can call us. Thank you so much.